Yes, hurry. Yeah.
It's amazing.
Alright, so we've got, what do we have? Number 1, -7 and W plus 17. Y'all okay with that? Alright, number 2 was a typo. Fix that 3 to be a square. And right here, this is a negative. You keep this negative and you take it out, right? What number does 3 and 5 have in common? 1, because 1 will go into anything, right? And then you bring that out as x minus 1. You okay with that? Now, what numbers multiply to be -12, but add or subtract to be -1? -4 plus 3 is -1. -4 times 3 is -12. Y'all okay? Alright, let's look at number 4. Number 4 is deceiving because this is not half, okay? In geometry, they stress to you, and I made the mistake in the ACT seminar of doing the same thing. They stress to you in geometry, don't look at the picture, right? So don't assume that this is half. We need to look at these numbers. How much does the bottom add up to be? 5. And the top is 4. That means this top is not really half. So what you do is you take 360 and you divide it by how many hours there are total. So 4 and 3 is 7. This is 8 and this is 9. So divide it by 9 and that's 40, right? And it wants to know what could be the central angle for the core subjects. So how many hours is the core? So then you multiply that 40 times 4, which is 160. Yes, ma'am.
Could you have also just known that, like, the top is just a little less than...
You could. And since that's the closest one to a little under 180, you could do that.
Yeah.
So if you see that, time is money, you pick it. So on the ACT, time is money. The next ACT is the 22nd, right? So if you're taking that, I'm going to have another ACT seminar next week sometime. So listen for an announcement, and we're going to do a sign-up sheet. Once the sign-up sheet gets to 30, that'll be it for that seminar, okay? And then I did talk to Dr. Hester, and he is working on trying to get one in the morning and one in the afternoon for people that can't come, because I know a couple of y'all can't come in the afternoon. So.
Like you said, like 1 in the morning, like 1 a.m.
No, like one seminar in the morning. I love y'all, but I mean, I don't know about all that. We'll see. All right, here we go. Let's look at this. So, did you take your calculator and add these up?
Yeah.
All right, what'd you get? A big number?
Yeah.
So what'd you get?
137 times 10.
Did your calculator give you that? Times 10 to the 9th?
Or 1.37.
That's okay. I'll ask this again. When you plug this in your calculator, exactly what did your calculator give you?
1.37.
1.37? That's what your calculator gave you?
Yes. I'm following instructions here.
Okay, that's not what your calculator gave you. It gave you 137. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
This is what it came to.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It gave you 1.37 times 10 to the...
Your graphing calculator?
No, my
That one.
calculator.
Let me see.
I know how to use my calculator.
Thank you for yelling at me. That's wonderful. What emoji do you have this in?
I have it in scientific notation.
Oh, that's why. It's not because it's in scientific notation mode. It's because you have it in fraction mode.
No, there's a
Yep. That's fine.
mode.
That's okay. That's not because it's in scientific. That's not why. Alright, so for those of you that gave it normally, let's see how many decimals that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where's it supposed to go? Where's the decimal supposed to go? In the front, right? So that's 8 and that's 9. 1.37 times 10 to the 9. Which is what, Scotty?
1.37 times 10
To the 9. I meant to write a 9 and just didn't go all the way. That's what happens when I don't look at my paper. I try to be cool and not look at my paper, but it doesn't work. Alright. Alrighty, here is what we're gonna do today. You ready? No, you're not ready? Okay, now you're ready. Okay. We are gonna do page 3 as a review from what we did yesterday. The key is up here for you so that you can work in your groups. Feel free to move your desk around, work with your peeps. You can work with 2 people, you can work with 3 people, you can work with 4 people. I don't care. Just as long as I don't hear about what's going on this weekend, as long as all I hear is what's going on your math paper. Got it? Okay. Alright, here we go. So if you don't know what page 3 looks like, by the way, we gotta go over homework. I'm sorry, I forgot about that. Number 10, on page 2. Good thing I'm not checking it, huh?
Yeah, I did it.
You did it? Okay. What did y'all get as your answer? On number 10? Negative 2 is right. Negative 38 is right. Negative 2. 21. 20. Perfect. Do you want me to go over this? Anybody need help? Anybody need to go over this? Huh? She did it. I hope the rest of you did it. If you didn't do it for homework, you better get it done. You better know how to do it. Alright. Here we go. So today, you're doing this page right here. Looks like this. You got it good? It's not really 4-1, so don't look at that. Alright, the bottom two. Look at the bottom 2, numbers 19 and 20. Look, I know it's 20 problems, but if you can't do 1 through 6 in like literally 2 minutes, then we need to talk, because we got to get you being able to do those quick. All right, 19 and 20. Well, are you going to stay in here and take your test, or when are you going to come back and take it? You realize grades are due Wednesday, right? So Tuesday would not be a great day. You better find some time today to come back, okay? Alright, I don't care if it's lunch or something. Find some time to come back. Let's see, 19 and 20, ready? So, don't freak out whenever you can't find a variable by using just one equation. You might want to use both equations. What are 2 equations, 2 or more equations called? System of equations. I know we did, didn't we? Whoa. I know. Just put it in the tray and it'll be there when you get back, okay? Y'all good? You got lost? Alright, the key's up here waiting for you when you get done.